Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a slime room tour. I haven't done a slime room tour in a bit, so I thought I would do an updated one for my brand new slime room. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is... So please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, let's get right into the slime room tour. Let's first start out with my basement. Here's my basement right here. Over here we have my home gym, which was redone and everything. The reason my slime room tour, or my slime room is redone, is because my whole basement got redone. So that means the whole entire room was knocked down and it got fixed. So yeah, but here is the gym, which is on the side of the basement. And moving past here is my slime room. You guys know it used to be like over here with like the countertop and the kitchen area and everything, but now this is my new slime room. So right over here we'll start out with my bird Spiky. This is Spiky. Here she is. She's just always chilling out and stuff, and she's in a lot of my videos. You guys will hear in the background. Then here's my slime room. It's this like huge area in the basement I have. Over there is where the living room will be, and like the little computer like desks that is like the family computer. But this is where my slime room is in my filming room. So let's start out with my desk. Also, sorry if like the quality on here is a little bit different. I'm filming on my camera, which I really never do. So I hope it's a little bit better for you guys. So here is my computer desk. This is where I play video games and everything. Over here we have some anime figurines, and then my Funko Pops over here. I have so many. And then here's my actual PC. It's an Omen PC. I got it from Best Buy on sale, and it works pretty well. We even have my like Razer keyboard over here. So cool. We have my Divoom speaker back there, which I got from the company. I have some slimes and cute figurines. Then this Lego camper, and then another figurine over there. On my desk right now I just have my iPad and my phone, but in the desk I have some random gaming stuff over here. I cannot talk today, I'm so sorry guys. And then more random stuff over here, like we have V-Bucks and just little figurines. And my desk is a mess because this was a desk I used to actually make slime for the longest time, but now it's just my gaming desk, and I will be getting a new one very soon. Just this works for now, you know, there's nothing too wrong with it. Then in this like section over here, I have my tripod, my really cool microphone, which I love doing ASMR videos with this. Look how glittery it is. So pretty. Then we have more camera stuff back there and more camera stuff over there. And that's what's in my desk. It's pretty organized, and I really love my desk, and especially my gaming chair, which it's so pink and it has these cute little bunny ears. Moving past there though, here is my fidget section and just like a bunch of slime stuff. So up here I first have some Loopsy things, and then here's stuff I put for new videos I'll be doing. I'm going to be doing a really cool TikTok video where I bought all this stuff from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to make a really cool slime with it. So that's going to be really cool. And over here, more Loopsy stuff. Then we have miniature items in here. Just a bunch of random stuff, like we have mini verses. If you guys want a mini verse video, please put it in the comments down below because I love mini verses so much. And then more miniatures over here. We have random slime stuff from Slimers and just random things. Same with over here. But let's get into my fidget cart, which is one of my favorite parts of the room. So over here in the fidget cart is first off random putties and stuff. And then we have these, what are these called? I can't think of the name right now. They're called pop tubes. I could not think of that for the past like minute, but my pop tubes, I have the mini ones and the larger ones. Over here is my mochi collection. So many in here. So many mochis. So we have those, and then we have more over here. This is just like little like poppets and like these cool caterpillar stuff. And then we have Neatos over here and more random things. We have infinity cubes, more poppets and dimples and everything over there. We have more Neatos over here, more stress balls. And over here is monkey noodles, so many. More random stuff. But down here, this is mainly poppets. Then stress balls over here, we have just Neatos, and then we have like my like water ones, which I love these so much. I got them from Top Trends. Joe Trends. And then we have Orbeez over here. My favorite ones are the ones from the Dollar Tree. They're so nice, and like they just make really nice popping sounds, so happy to have those in my collection. And then I'll lead you guys over here. So my camera decided to die. Of course, the only day I ever want to use my camera, it dies right away, but that's okay. We're on my phone now, so sorry if the quality's a little weird again. But over here, I have Loopsy stuff, like the accessories over here, stuff I'm selling on Mercari, and then here's my mini Loopsy collection. I lost my collection twice, actually. Once when I was younger, and then again when I moved into my new slime room, so I'm happy to have these again. I got them from Mercari and eBay, so that's pretty cool. More Loopsy stuff, and then I have my Shopkins collection, which I've had for the longest time. This cart right here is full of random stuff. It's like a miniature cooking stuff for cool videos. It just goes all down there. More Shopkins, my Connect Sand collection, putties and random slimes, more random stuff and coloring books, phone cases, and then poppets and dimples are over here. And then in this cart over here, we have my no glue slime supplies, just a bunch of soaps, as you can tell, toilet paper and hand sanitizer. Up here, we have a Fortnite pinata, food coloring, scents, foam beads, and then over here is random slimes and this huge cheese block. We have books back there. And here's all my mixing tools I use for videos and slime making, some containers, more books down there, slimes over there, same with over there. And then right here is like a really cool painting kit I have. Let's move over here now. I have my Miniverse kitchen. I have this Bratz Kylie Jenner doll. It's so cool. My friend Sierra got it for me for Christmas. My miniature slime collection. I really want to film a video for this, so stay tuned for that. We have bowls for making slime. This random like makeup thing with like nail stuff in there. We have borax, of course. And then up here is my slime collection. First up over here, we have this Nom Noms thing I got off of Facebook Market. This really cool little smushy mushy bottle, and then a Loopsy horse. Then let's get into the slime collection. It's in this really cool bookcase I have, and it fits perfectly. So I have my store-bought slimes right here, more store-bought slimes, and then more store-bought slimes right here. Can you tell which slimes I like the most? And then over here are slimes I got from other slime sellers, or slimes I got sent to me. And then here are my slimes I made myself. I wish I had more room for them, but they went over there, which is okay. And then here is where I film all of my YouTube videos, TikToks, and just stuff for social media. I swear this setup is so much better than the one before. So I have this ring light, these other two lights, and even this light set up to my like tripod, which is attached to the table. And the backdrop looks really good. It's just this white desk I got off of Amazon. Then over here is videos I'm going to be filming for you guys very soon. Just random stuff too I got from like a thrift store. Then of course we have my backdrop for my videos. And then down here I have slime supplies over here, more slime supplies, Miniverse stuff. And then in here is just a bunch of like Barbie dolls and like random Barbie doll stuff. And I also have this like granite marble countertop for videos. But I love this setup so much. I feel like it looks so much better in videos, and it's so professional, because before I just had a little ring light or a tripod, and this one just makes it so bright, and I can even change the lighting on this and make it colorful if I want to. Yeah, but that's a little bit of a detailed tour of that over here. And then over here is more organization stuff. I cannot speak today. And then we have my like little like, what is this, like container sections over here. So over here, I just have like miniature squishies I love. I've collected so many of these. This is the, I think it's Squish Delish. I used to love collecting these. I'd get them at like Walmart and Target. So I have those over here. And then over here, I have more by other brands. I got Minecraft sheep, just random squishies. Here are some more rarer ones by like Sanrio and stuff. Random stuff I like show in videos sometimes. Like I have this like Pop-It game. I have a Taco Bell squishy, just random things. This is stuff I want to film for videos. And then miniature foods, more things I want to film for videos. And then random toys like Loopsies down there. I have this miniature shopping cart I filmed for TikToks for you guys, so like go shopping in my slime room, and it's pretty cool filming with this. It's so cute. I got it for Christmas. Then this is my favorite part of my slime room again. It's just these like storage things, and over here I have my mixing bowl for making slime. It's my mixer. It's the KitchenAid one. I love using this for slime making for my shop, which I'll be restocking very soon, so stay tuned for that. I have some Loopsies over here I still keep in the package. I have an original one from 2010, and then just some of the newer ones they released. I have some glue containers over here, some huge squishies that I got from companies from a few years ago. They're so huge, so I just keep them over there. I have my Baby Live collection over here. I started off my channel with these dolls, so I just like to keep them out and stuff to show how far I got. And then more random stuff down here for videos and, you know, whatever. And then over here is just a bunch of squishies I like to keep out. So squishies were a huge part of my channel before, like, you know, even slime. I always loved squishies, so I just like to keep them out in these containers. They're not really organized. I feel like I'll organize them sooner or later, but, you know, that's where they are. And I just have so many that I wanted to keep them out for display. Like, I have really rare ones, like this Eye Bloom Peach, or like, I don't know, this sheep is pretty rare, so I just like to keep them out for fun. It also really looks good on videos and live streams, so I just feel like it's like a cool backdrop. But over here, we just have this card I got for Christmas, and I have this mini claw machine I use for videos. This I got from Shopkins. They sent it to me. And then here's just random stuff that I have, like I have these mini stress balls. It's these Christmas ones. Mini food stuff in here. More mini-verse stuff and random things. This is my Shopkins. This is my little pet shop collection. Just like to keep them on here. I got this one actually at a flea market like a week or two ago, and it's so cute. It's this hamster one. Then over here is more filming things. I got this from a company for a TikTok. It's these like little building cubes. More random stuff. More random stuff. This is just books and, you know, just like random loopsy stuff. And we're back on my camera again. I charged it for a little bit, but that's the end of my slime room. I'm so sorry if it was rushed a little bit. I didn't want to go into too much detail to bore you guys, but this is what my slime room is. This is where I film and, you know, play video games and do whatnot down here. I love my slime room so much. I love all the detail I put into the background, which looks so cool over here like this. Like, I always do live streams right over here with my chair, and I just have this cool backdrop, which looks awesome. And just like my filming little like section over here, I love it so much. And like, I feel like I'm so creative down here more than I was before in my other slime room. So I'm super excited for all the content I'll make down here and all the cool live streams and videos I'll make for you guys. Yeah, but stay tuned for so many cool videos coming out in my new slime room. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I'm definitely going to add more detail into it as, you know, the months proceed into this year, but I love how it is. I love my slime collection. I'll definitely be doing a slime collection video for you guys, so if you want that, please put it in the comments down below. That'd be really cool to show you guys. But that was my slime room tour. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember to check out all my social medias. They will be linked down below. I love you guys so much. Remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys. I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!